What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to be testing a new way that I found to clean your white canvas shoes or white Vans. This method is so simple. All you need is some Dawn dish soap and a scrubber. Put your shoes in the sink and then scrub away. And as you can see, my shoes were pretty dirty to begin with. Initially, I thought this method seemed kind of silly and how would it really work? But watch all the way to the end and you will be surprised at how this method actually works. The only part I'm not expecting to come clean is the little red spot that's on my shoes. This probably will not take it off. But like I said, all you do is give your shoe a good scrub. When you're done scrubbing, give your shoes a good rinse to try to get all of the soap off. And then now comes the weird part. Yes, I said the weird part. What you're gonna need is some toilet paper. You wanna keep your shoes wet and place toilet paper on your shoe. I initially thought that this was so weird and I was like, what is this gonna do? But I guess it helps to get rid of yellow stains or any other type of stains. So like I said, make sure that your shoes are still wet and you're just gonna apply toilet paper all around your shoes. When you are done wrapping your shoes up, you should place them out in the sun to completely dry. And this is where the magic happens. The toilet paper is gonna pull up the remaining stains. And voila, your shoes should be a lot whiter. That is pretty impressive. Look at this, you guys. My shoes look so much whiter. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and watch my next video that YouTube suggests to watch. Bye.